Welcome, so today I am with Realme GT 2 Pro and I want to show you 5 camera tips. At the first, we can start from the quality of our photos. So normally when you take photo, it looks like that. Take a look. And if you want to get more details, switch to the 50 megapixel mode. Right now, let's make a small comparison. This photo was taken with the normal mode. I mean with the 50 megapixel mode. Sorry, my bad. And this one was taken with normal. As you can see, we cannot zoom in that close, and we can find less details, as you can see, especially when you take a look on this phone keyboard. So to get more details, definitely go for this 50 megapixel mode. Okay, so that was the first tip, and another one, I'm gonna show you how you can use your volume buttons. They are located right here, and normally you can take photos by tapping on the shutter, but also you can use your volume buttons, volume up and volume down. When you click and hold the volume down, you can also take the burst shot, 20 photos in a very short time. The same when you click and hold this shutter. You can also change function of this volume buttons when you go for the settings, scroll down and go for the volume button action and switch to the zoom. As you can see, right now when we press volume up or down, we can adjust the zoom feature, so we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out to the 20 times. Right now let's click on the volume down and let's zoom out. Okay, and just like that was very simple, right? So right now we can go for the more modes, where we can find great mode. It's really amazing how many objects we can find in the one photo while using this ultra wide lens. So take a look. And by the comparison with the normal ultra wide lens, no words, right? So you can take big group photos with your friends while using this mode. And another option that it's hidden right here, it's called the microscope. So what we can get, I think we can bring this paper towel, right? I use it to clean the screen of the phone and take a look how it looks in the front of the camera when I'm gonna put it close, just like that. Nothing special, right? Just piece of the paper. But when you put it right here on this lens, that's this microscope lens, close to the microscope lens, just take a look how many details we can find right here. That's basically the structure of the paper. Let's zoom in because we got 40 times zoom. Of course, my hands are shaking, so maybe it's not the best and stable shot, but let me just grab this flat, the flat part of the towel and take a look. And when I'm gonna put close to my hand, we can spot a lot of details on my skin. Okay, so right now we can simply go for the settings, because in the settings you can find a very useful option, and it's called just disappear? No, it was, okay, it will be in the shadowing methods. So it's right here, it's tap to capture, and right now this option allow us to click on the screen and take photo. When you can use it, when you hold the phone like that with the one hand and you cannot reach the bottom shutter. So you can just simply click on the screen and the photo will be taken. So guys, that's my tips for this Realme GT 2 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.